Like I said, most of the parcels I go out and buy just so I can unbox for you, apart from this little one here, which I will now show you. Let's move that to the side. Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. My name's Reese, as you will all know, and this is a RetroSpec channel. Today guys, I have two parcels. One that we are going to be unboxing and one that's going to be in another video. The small parcel that you can now see me pointing to, I showed in the last video, which was the action cam unboxing. If you haven't managed to see that, up here in the top corner, I will put the video in for you to click and watch. So yeah, make sure you go back and watch that. Also, first things first, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, thumbs up, click the bell button, and then you'll find out when we upload any other videos, because it will notify you. Your help helps me, it helps the channel grow, and it helps me bring more unboxings like this. Like I said, most of the parcels I go out and buy just so I can unbox for you, apart from this little one here, which I will now show you. Let's move that to the side. As you can see, the one in the middle of the screen now, I need to give a big shout out to Autobeam. They have supplied us with this, as I approached them and said I wanted to do an unboxing for my fans on YouTube, for my viewers. And when we spoke, they said, yeah, there's something we can do. We can send you something out and we can see how your review goes of the product. So yeah, big shout out to Autobeam for this. I will put their links in the description below. I will also, after the unboxing, attach a video to their website. As you can see, I'm going to put it in now. Right guys, as you can now see, we are on the RetroSpec Vlogs Twitter page. Obviously my name's Reese, as you can see. So if you wouldn't mind to go give that a like, please do. First things first, what you want to do is go to www.google.co.uk, as you can see me just do, and Google will load up. Your next step is to search Autobeam in Google and also press enter, and it will be the first one that lights up in purple, which says autobeam.co.uk. Once the page has loaded, as you will see me now click, you have the option which says shop, which I will highlight now. Under shop, you have a range of different lights ranging from fog, side, number plate, interior, indicator. You also have accessories, dip beam, as you all can see. Just any of them that you need, highlight, click on, and it will bring you to another page. As we're looking for a certain vehicle, I will now click the word vehicles. As you can see, it gives you the options of Ford, Volkswagen and Vauxhall. There is the Fiesta, the Focus and Mondeo, and as you can see, there is the other Volkswagens and everything else. As we're looking for a Fiesta, we will click Fiesta. And you have a range of all different other cars that actually come up. You have the Mark 6.5, the Mark 7, 7.5 and so on. As we've got the Mark 7, we will click that. On your lights, as you can see me scrolling down now, there is different ones. We have the indicator, we have the xenon units, we have the ambulance lights, halogen lights. Yeah, as you can see, there is a range of different lights that you can actually go buy from Autobeam, which I do suggest. As you can see, the ones now that I'm circling, I'll just click on, is the LED number plate light ones. At the moment, they are sold out, but don't worry about that. Autobeam do get them in quite regularly. As it says, style in seconds, and it also comes under the Autobeam performance section. As you can see, a few images now sliding across on the Autobeam website of how the lights do look. And as you will see in the rest of this video, they do live up to the images. As I slowly scroll down the page, you will see a little bit more information. As I will scroll down just now. Like I said, there's a little bit more information there for you, and it also tells you what you get in the box. So what you're not going to expect to get and what you do expect to get. But yeah, I hope this helps, guys. Yeah guys, right now you've seen the video on how to get the item that we're unboxing. Let's get into the unboxing. We have our trusty little knife here, which we will open, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So like I said guys, this is from Autobeam. Autobeam do quite a lot of car lights, indicators, xenons, side lights, footwell lights, anything to do with cars. Just go check them out, and I'm sure they'll have some up for your car. These lights that are going to be in here, let's see what they've sent us. These LED exterior lights that we have been sent are actually for a Ford Fiesta. Quite easy to fit. I will show you how to fit them. It's basically you put a screwdriver into the light, you pop it out, you pull the connector out, you change the connector and pop it back in. I make it sound easy because I've done it a few times, but like I said, you can see the item here. I will also be showing you how to insert them in a moment. But yeah, the lights are LED exterior unit, and the website is www.autobeam.co.uk, which you should see come across the bottom of your screen now. On the back, technical details, if unit doesn't illuminate, rotate and insert. Support, if you require further information on using Autobeam products, contact us at www.autobeam.co.uk/support. That's for anyone that's having issues that does go online and buy this, which I recommend. Autobeam, from my talking with them and dealing with them, are a top class company, and their lights are always spot on. Any issues, contact them, they will sort them straight out for you. The lights that are in my hand now do come with a 5-year warranty, which means if the light breaks down, stops illuminating, any problems, you contact them straight away using the support, and then you will get your new lights sent back out because it's under your 5-year warranty. As you can see on the back of the lights, we have a red and black connector. These connectors will just push into your lights. Like I said, if it doesn't work, pull out, rotate, put back in, and they should work. So without further ado, let's get into fitting them straight away. Right guys, welcome back. As you can tell, we've had to get changed due to the weather the other day, so it's now another day. We're going to get straight into the lights. As you can see, this is before we change anything. We have got a very dull yellow light, which we will be changing thanks to Autobeam. Now they've sent us some. So without further ado, let's get straight in the action. First things first, I'm going to show you how you're going to change the lights, which will be at each side of the lights. As you can see just here, there is a little clip. You just pop a screwdriver in, pop it in and pull out. That is the light released. Put the screwdriver back in there. On each one of these you do have a turn. You turn it, pull the cap off. I'll put that in there for now. And we have the bulb, which is here. Just pull the bulb straight out and you have your little cap. And in the box that we've been sent from Autobeam, we have some new lights, which we will get open. Tough bag. So yeah, car's very dirty because it does need to go for a clean. But like I said, we've had a lot of bad weather and most people will not clean the car while it's dirty. So yeah, right. As you can see on the light here, we have the black and red power cable with a prong just there, and obviously we have our light with the plastic clip just there. Be very careful when you push the clip in, as it does snap. So it's not like the other ones that come with the Ford that have a metal clip. These are actually plastic. If I was to change anything on the lights, that's the only thing I probably would change, obviously, because if you're taking them in and out, which you might not meter, some people do, then that could break. But all you do is you have a look at your light there. If you just put this in there and give it a nice little push, just like that, and if you give your car an unlock like that, it should light up. And as you can see already, we have a very white light and a yellow light. As we're comparing them just there, it's a very bright light. Sometimes if the light doesn't come on straight away, which I will show you now, I will just unplug it and I will swap it around and put it the other way for you. That's in the other way. with them being canvas bulbs, they sometimes don't light up if you have them in the wrong way, sorry about that. These ones have, so if they ever do not light up when you put them in, guys, just make sure you pull the end out and swap it back around and you should be good to go. All you do is push that little clip back in, push all your wire in, make sure you push the left side of your light in first with the 2 clips, and then you just push a little bit more and the light pops in just like that. What I will do, I will just put the car boot down a little bit, and as you can see, I'll unlock the car, and already there's a big difference compared to the left side, which is a bright light, and the right side, which is a dull yellow. As you can see from close, I'll lift up. We have the Autobeam light here, and we have the standard Ford bulb here. Autobeam a lot brighter for on a night, they're very dull. So let's get the other one changed now for you. Put the keys in there for the time being. Pull that off, throw it in there, pull the bulb out, put that in there as well. So guys, as you can see, pop the black clip under the wire and around and out on the connector. You have your little metal clip, your little plastic clip, sorry, and then you have 2 little teeth here. Push the light into the base, just like that. Always make sure you press the unlock button on your car to make sure your lights do work. And as you can see, both of them have now lit up bright. With your teeth, just push the wire in, push the teeth in the left side and pop the right side in. As we put the boot down, I'll lock the car. Both of the lights should now go out. And as I light the car up again, we have ultra bright LED lights by Autobeam. So yeah guys, left and right light is now in. If you have any issues fitting them, comment down below in the sections. Contact me through social media, anything, and I'll be there to help. But all I can say is peace out and thanks for watching.